Next up, Radar Station Security Room. This is by far the least valuable key on Valley. Anyways, if you want to find out where it is, here it is. Head across to Valley and zoom into the far southwest side. You'll find the radio station here. It's this building. We'll run across there and you'll see exactly what kind of loot we have inside of it. Not only are we super exposed to our surroundings, but there's also a spawn up here and usually down here as well. We'll need to head across to this giant concrete room in the center here. There'll be a couple of scavs around the area, but we'll just need to open the door here using our key. And when we do, we'll get a ton of loot inside. Just kidding, there's not that much. Safety cord, that's something valuable. So just general loose loot. A long weapons case sometimes has some good stuff in it. I'm playing on lockdown, so that's probably why some of this isn't that bad. And we have a jacket over here. Besides that, this place is mostly worthless. Oh, and a toolbox too. You can get all of this loot outside of this area completely for free in random buildings. It's really not that good at all. There's not really reason to own this key at all unless you're looking for certain loose loot or something like that. I haven't found this ever before in this game, never mind in this specific room, so don't expect it. Anyways, hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.